So this is how a performance test report should look like. It contains contents. In the contents we have executive summary, test objectives, test environment for server 1, server 2, and for DB server, test scenarios where we are listing all the scenarios, response times in table format for test case 1, test case 2, test case 3, counters for web server 1, web server 2, and conclusions and recommendations. For example, this is how it looks like the executive summary, key findings, uh, test objectives. So all the objectives for the performance test, but test environment, web server 1, for example, CPU, what is the model of CPU, what is the model of memory and storage, server 2, DB server. We have test scenarios, for example, we have a test case, and we have test data, test steps, actual results, expected results. So we have a response times for test case 1, for example, in a table format. We have a test case step as rows, and columns we have average response time in seconds, minimum response time, maximum response time, and error percentage. So we have the same table for test case 1, for example, test case 2, test case 3, and we have counters listed. So we have a charts, screenshots of counters for server 1 CPU, memory, disk, and server 2, and so on for all the servers. And we have recommendations, for example, optimize backend processing, enhance server capacity, implement load balancing, refine error handling, and so on, or performing some performance tuning operations like adding indexes to the database and so on. And we have a conclusion. So this report will be available on as a downloadable resource, so you can download it and you can adjust it according to your needs.